Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gigi, known as Thoughtful Savvy Mom on social media. In today's video, I share with you how to cloth diaper and save thousands of dollars. I've been using cloth diapers now for over 6 months and I love it. Let me show you in this video how easy it is to cloth diaper. I researched a lot and finally settled on Grovia because they had the best quality and variety to suit your needs. I chose to go with the hybrid cloth because I was able to have the shells and my option on absorbency, and I can even use disposable liners, which was an added bonus. So here are my diaper liners, and in this area I keep my shells. I have 9 shells and I have 22 liners. Looking back, I think I should have just purchased a full-time set as opposed to the half-time. But since I was a newbie, I wasn't sure where to go with it. To save even more money, I use cloth wipes and my own spray bottle with the Mistela no cleansing water. So I usually, before I wake the baby, I will set out the diaper and the cloth wipe to get her cleaned up. And so I'm setting that up now. I did want to mention that the full-time package comes with 12 shells and 24 liners. And then I even think it even comes with a few bio soakers. Or, yeah, I think they're called bio soakers. They absorb even more. I have yet to use those because my liners have worked so well. I change the baby about every 2 hours, and I've learned not to put the diaper on her too tight. Also, something that's great is that these diapers are going to last from birth up until potty training, because the snaps will change with the sizing of the baby. So as the baby gets bigger, the diaper grows with them as well. I started using my diapers as soon as the baby lost her umbilical cord. So that was, I think, like week 3, and I was able to start full-time using my cloth diapers. So what's so neat is that everything snaps in, even the liners, and there's no movement, and it works great for the absorbency. Makes it easy to put on, to take off, easy for anyone to use.
So I always change the baby after she wakes up from her nap. I started this in the beginning when she was first born. They used to tell me, oh, to wake them up, just change their diaper. So that's our schedule. I change her diaper about every 2 hours. So here we have. So easy, guys, to cloth diaper. Let's see here. Okay. So we have, I usually do like 3 on the 3rd one, then on the 3rd one, and likewise. Because I realized I was putting her too tight and it was causing her to have a little bit of a rash. So there it is. Okay, so I'm going to change. Okay guys, so I begin to close her diaper. So again, I go on the 3rd one, 3rd one, then I tuck it in, 3rd one. Sometimes at the beginning, she's 6 months old, at the beginning they did overlap, so this one was coming over a little bit and this one would clip here. So you just have to work with it as they grow. She does have a good amount of room. So you want to make sure that everything's inside and she is good to go. You also want to check the back, make sure it's up on her back. And that's it, you get them dressed. This is the no prep soaker, so I have that. That means that I didn't have to wash it multiple times in order for it to be effective and work well. So that I put in the hamper, in a diaper pail. Now this here can be used over again if it is clean. So I usually do the smell test. If it smells okay, then I will just leave it out here for the next diaper change. What's so nice about these compared to the other shells that I saw that I researched while I was pregnant is that these shells have the nice soft inner cover, and all of the other ones were just like a plastic on the inside, and that's what I didn't like. This one at least absorbs some moisture if there is some moisture in the diaper cover. So that's that.
So now it's time to show you the dirty job. Time to wash the diapers. So I take out the diaper pail liner. I use a Decor diaper pail. I love it. No regrets. I have 2 liners so that I can change it when it's time to wash. I have another one to replace with it. So I take it out. You can also put disposable bags in this one. So I take it out. Easy to take out, easy to put in. So you feed it from the top, wrap it around, and then you close at the bottom and you're ready to go. So I do sometimes let it breathe out, and I will spray it with Lysol every once in a while, and I do have an Arm & Hammer freshener in there as well.
Alright, so here we have the pail liner. I did get the Decor pail liner. I have the diapers, I put them in. I do separate the shells, the covers, from the liners. So I put all those in there. Basically, I don't need to do all of this. I just kind of take it like this and I dump it in here so I don't have to get so dirty. And then I turn it inside out too. And then I just go in here and I double check to make sure that the covers are all separated from the diapers. Okay, everything's good. Right, so I'm using my Free and Gentle from Tide. I'm going to first do a quick wash. So I'm going to put that in here. The quick wash usually lasts about 20 minutes. So I'll turn that on. So I do temperature warm, spin high, soil level, heavy. And I press start, 72 minutes. Alright, so I've washed. I've already put some diapers in the dryer. I've taken out the covers and the diaper pail. And I'm going to put the last few diapers. These go in the dryer. These go in the dryer. And then these 2 will be line dried for the next use. It makes their lifeline last longer when you don't dry them as well. For the drying, I usually do time drying. Time dry, and I will do about 60 minutes.
These will dry in a couple of hours. And about once a month or every 2 months, I will use the Grovia bubbles to remove any deposits on the diaper liners. And then the Grovia Magic Stick for any rashes that the baby gets. There you have it, guys. Cloth diapering made easy with Grovia diapers. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.